jump scare.
So y'all know how everybody got the little poo shiesty mask, like, look, what is my face? I got it. I got one. This is the Carhartt one. I got it because I was like, I feel like I could look kind of cool with it. So I'm about to try it on because that's the whole reason I got my hair like this right now. Because I wanted to wear my mask. Alright. Yeah. I put it on like a little hat. No cap, I'm kind of feeling it. Hold on, let's like put the coat on and stuff and get the vibe. Yo, it's giving like, yo. Ooh. Now I literally look like my brother. Oh, bro, I look like a little boy. I look like a little boy, but like, I'm like kind of feeling it. It's hot in here. I can't breathe. I'm gonna be bundled up if it's actually cold outside. Like, you're not catching me. I feel like this is giving you like max speed. All right, let me take it off. I honestly don't know where that random boost of energy just came from. I was just laying in bed and I was like, I want to try on my mask. That was fun. So, ooh, I just cracked my sternum. So, is it just me? All right, or do you guys also like, it feels like it's so late. Like, it's 3:23 right now, and I think I've been up since like 8. I went to the gym downstairs, took a shower, I straightened up the crib a little bit, had some breakfast, did some homework, watched some TikTok, watched some YouTube, and it just feel like time is just, I even played the game. Time is just going by so slow. Maybe because I'm bored, like it's just more slow and it's dragged out. I don't know, but time has just been literally going by at snail's pace. However, it feels super late because daylight savings, so like it's dark outside, and again we're in a snowstorm, so it's like really dark outside. I got a big head. But yeah, that's a check-in for right now. Alright y'all, me in the kitchen. I'm cutting some potatoes and making dinner. This is vegan steak, y'all. I'm gonna show you. It's the Very Good Butcher's plant-based butchery Very Good steak. But this is how it looks. There's 2 in here, but I feel like one steak is big enough for like today and tomorrow. So got some corn. I was either gonna do corn or green beans. I think I'm just doing corn. These potatoes are low-key probably old, but I'm gonna still use them. If y'all get an ugly angle of me, disregard it. Basically, I know I wasn't talking this morning because sometimes I don't feel like talking in the morning for real. But I was like, while I'm cutting these potatoes, let me just update y'all on my life. I am still in college, still doing well in there. I decided to, how many credit hours? 17 credit hours, which is 6 courses, which is a lot for my first time at this institution, not knowing how the curriculum and stuff is set up. Will I ever do it again? No, absolutely not. I'm dying. It's not as hard as it could be in my personal opinion because I do take a few of those courses are online. Some of them can be asynchronous in some days, so that gives me time to catch up. But that, simultaneously working as well, I dropped so much potato pieces right now. While working, it's been quite the hassle. But I've been like somehow managing my stress very well. Like I've been very happy. The happiest I've probably been in a while. Maybe that's because I have my own space to be creative and like just breathe and think stuff through without no distractions or interruptions, like, you know? So honestly, I think I'm chilling, I'm cooling.
But why haven't I uploaded? Pretty much, like I said, I do have 6 courses, I do have work, and a lot of my days look alike. They're very similar. So I already did the morning routine for you guys and stuff. Like, there's not very much for me to show you outside of my everyday routines, like going to work, going to school. I guess I could do more of that. And honestly, I'm probably just making excuses to justify my actions, but it is what it is. Basically, I just didn't feel like it. And I didn't want to be in front of the camera. I was having one of those YouTuber moments. You're just like, don't put me on the camera. But now, I'm back to it. I'm back to me. I feel good. I just needed a little breaky break, and we're back. Outside of school and work, I've been playing around the kitchen a lot more. And I realized, like, yo, the girl can actually kind of cook for real. Oh, this one's dirty. Look at it. That looks so nasty. And I don't know if I ever told you guys. Well, you saw it earlier in the video, but I got a PS5. No, duh. I had a whole video of me doing gameplay. I got a PS5, right? Dog, tell me why I've only played that game, like, a handful of times. That's it. Maybe 5. I was crying about getting a PS5 because I was so bored, but then school picked up, and I'm like, oh, I don't got time for it. I get off work, and I'm tired, and I really just want to watch Netflix. That's it. And because I have a smart TV, I don't even turn on the game and watch Netflix. So it's like, did you waste $500 potentially? But I think I'll get my use out of it. Just, you know, probably like summertime. Winter break is coming up. This break right now, Thanksgiving break, I'm going home, so. Also, I don't have a ton of games yet, so that's probably why. Other than that, I've been watching anime, guys. I know, I'm late to the game. And I'm not just like jumping on the bandwagon, trying to be trendy. A friend of mine put me on, and I started watching Attack on Titan. And then now I'm watching Hunter x Hunter and Attack on Titan simultaneously. I used to watch Dragon Ball Z too. And honestly, it's just like a really good form of escapism. Like, it's really something you could just easily watch without having too much thought into it. But sometimes Attack on Titan gets depressing. Like, sometimes I need a little something hypey that's like lighthearted. Because Attack on Titan is a little... Am I tripping? I don't know if my light just flickered or my contact lens is acting up. Yo, I'm gonna see on camera if I'm tripping or if something just actually did something over there. I need to get back to painting. I stopped painting for a while. I don't know why. And I literally stopped reading altogether. And then I finally finished the book that I took literally 2 to 3 months, which was Ace of Spades. It's not a bad book. It's just I lost interest and like I wasn't focused. But yeah, I got back into reading, but now I'm like kind of in a slump still. Like, I don't read as fast as I used to, which is understandable. I got everything else going on. I'm trying, I'm doing my best. But overall, I've just been cooling, guys. And that's why I haven't uploaded. But you guys still show love. Like, my subscribers I saw increased, and like, you guys are still interactive in my comments and stuff, and I really appreciate that. So if you still watch me, even though I suck at uploading, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Now, before I talk your head off and get all sentimental, I'm gonna start playing music and just like speed this thing up a little bit. I have a potato on my sock.